I'm sure you're thoroughly enjoying all the performances, the scintillating performances put up by our talented children. Let me take a moment to acknowledge what goes in to put up a performance, a program like this. Right? It takes obviously weeks of thinking, immaculate planning, practice, a lot of practice, and patience with children. And at every single stage, a lot of creativity that goes in. And more importantly, on top of all of that, this time the entire program has by and large been put up with very minimal support externally. It has been put up by our team almost entirely on their own. And even more importantly, while disturbing the regular academic classes as little as possible throughout the process of preparing for the annual function. So here's a big shout out to my entire team, Team Teolar Unbounded, right from Neha Chaudhary ma'am to Manveer ma'am to my entire leadership team of Teolar Unbounded, every staff member, all the teachers, admin. Great job, guys. I keep saying this and I'll say this again. I'm really, really proud of you. And of course, not to forget all my kids, right? All the students, really proud of you, will always be proud of you. With great honor, I present to you the accomplishments of the school from the past 1 year. To start with, academics, SOF. So building on the great run that we have had with SOF Olympiads. Last year too, our children have achieved great heights. We have achieved altogether a total of seven international bronze medals as a school, 3 international silver medals, and 7 international gold medals as a school. The number of stage 2 qualifiers has again surged to 39 in the International English Olympiad, 46 in the National Science Olympiad, and 96 in the International Maths Olympiad last year. So outstanding job, students, and keep up the great work. We were also honored with the International Best Teacher Award for Coordination. And ये award सिर्फ 10 लोगों को मिलता है across thousands of participating schools. हजारों school में से 10 people get this award. So outstanding work, whatever we are doing for the Olympiads, keep up the great effort, team, and keep up the great effort, students. In the Singapore Maths Challenge, Singapore Mathematics Challenge, SMC as we call it, based on our student performance, Teolar last year was ranked number 1 across the whole country. I think most of you will be aware, we have shared this enough number of times. Teolar Unbounded is now also an official center for SAT exams and for the AP programs that are run across schools. It provides a great, terrific gateway for children who want to pursue studies overseas after class 12. We are the second such center in Rajasthan, as recognized by the college board last year. But importantly, our students of grade 9 and grade 10, 51 of our students of grade 9 and 10 took the first pre-SAT exam in school last month. And you know what? The average score of our students is higher than the global benchmark of the last 3 years by 20%. So outstanding work again, children. Let's keep up that spirit. Coming to sports. Again, our students have surpassed all previous benchmarks when it comes to sports. As a school, we participate in the official tournaments organized by International School Sports Organization, ISSO, by the SGFI, School Games Federation of India, and RSFI, which is the Roller Skating Federation of India. Across these 3 organizations, all the championships, all the tournaments that we took part in over the last 1 year, our students have secured at the national level in ISSO and at the state level in SGFI and RSFI put together. Our students have secured 15 bronze medals, 4 silver medals, and 7 gold medals last year. So great going champions. We are going to be recognizing many of you between today and tomorrow, between the two programs. And we hope and look forward to many such laurels going forward from all of you. Moving on to co-curriculars, to extracurriculars and activities. Again, we have taken big strides over the last 1 year as a school when it comes to co-curricular activities. We organized, TOLR Unbounded organized the 3rd edition of Synergy Fest, which is our own inter-school competition that saw participation from 15 of the renowned schools of the city. And we had 5 different events across which everyone participated. Our own students, on the other hand, our own students went forward and participated in numerous inter-school events of various different schools across the city. And ek ko chhod ke, excluding one school, our students came back winning prizes in every single event, every single school that we went and participated in. We are also now formally affiliated to Trinity College London for instrumental music and to Bhatkhande Sangeet Vidyapeeth Lucknow for classical dance. And we have started training our students and providing formal certification to all those who are interested. In fact, some of the parents have also joined in, which is a great thing to see. So there's a father-daughter duo, there's a mother-son duo who are also trying to get the certification together. So fantastic going again. So anyway, ये तो बात थी स्कूल की, the progress that school has made पिछले साल में किस तरह की उपलब्धियां हमने हासिल की as a school. Now, apart from being a director, I am also a principal and a teacher. So obviously we meet a lot of students, lot of parents, and there are some learnings, some important messages that we do like to share. Uske bina dil nahi manta. Right? So there is one such thing that I am going to talk about today. It's what I call the grassrooter versus the paratrooper approach. Right? The grassrooter versus the paratrooper approach. Now, as a concept, grassrooter and paratrooper, probably some of you may already have heard. It's a fairly well-known concept. But here we are talking of in the context of children. अपने बच्चों के context में हम उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. How does it apply to the kids? Right? Grassrooter कौन होता है? Who is a grassrooter? Grassrooter is a child who is ground up, right? Based on their skills, their effort, their accomplishments, right? They are the ones who are grassrooters. They are connected to the ground. Ground कौन है? Ground is basically the parents, the teachers, friends, family, all the support that can be provided. They are connected to the ground and yet they aspire to soar high over a period of time. And on the other hand, who is a paratrooper? आप में से एक सज्जन है I know fairly well who is a real life paratrooper, the one who goes in a plane, jumps with a parachute. But here again, we are talking of the context of children. And as you can guess, it's basically about children who are given things by someone else, right? Not necessarily their own doing. हमने क्या किया? हमने प्लेन उड़ा दिया, हवा में भेज दिया, बच्चे को ऑलरेडी ऊपर पहुंचा दिया, वो वहां से नीचे आ रहा है. जहां पे भी उसको पहुंचना है, वो वहां पे पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रहा है. वो प्रयास है, प्रयास सफल रहा तो बहुत बढ़िया, लेकिन there is always a kintu parantu. So what's the kind of support system? The support system is up there in the plane, and once the plane has dropped off, the child is on his or her own. There is no support system left for the child. Right? I know आप में से अधिकतर लोग काफ़ी समृद्ध हैं अपने खुद के कामों में. People are senior government officials, accomplished in their own business, in their own professions. If we want, there are multiple stages at which we can clear the doors for our children and send them to a high level directly. But always remember, थोड़ी सी आंधी आई या तूफान आया, paratrooper will not be able to jump. और खुदा ना खास्ता jump कर गया, तो obviously there can be a major setback as well. But the grassrooter, कम आंधी, कम पानी, everything is fine. The grassrooter will probably bend a little bit, is a lot more resilient, can always bounce back, can always shoot up again, right? Because that is built on a strong base of emotions, supported by friends, family, parents, teachers, and developed on their own skills. So that's what we would ideally want all our kids to grow up as. We would want to produce grassrooters as Teola. That's what we have always aspired. That's a request to all of you as parents. Let's not try to open doors for children. Let's not try to create a red carpet for our children. Let them find their own path. थोड़ी ठोकर लगेगी, थोड़ा सा setbacks होंगे, but they will certainly find their own way. Let's trust in their wisdom. Let's trust in their judgment. Let's trust in their own ability to find the right answers. Well, to conclude, I'll just say, perfect तो कोई भी नहीं होता. हम भी clearly नहीं हैं perfect, लेकिन मेहनती हैं और ईमानदार हैं. Those are the values we have always stood by. We will always stand by going forward as well. As a school, Teola Unbounded is just beginning. It's the beginning of its journey to establish itself as a terrific international school. Obviously, we are going to get there. As a group, even as a group, Teola is at best mid-cycle and far from where we want it to be. Far from being the best that we aspire to be. But one thing, like again, what I always say, we will certainly get there. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the evening.